Hi friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. Today in this video, I will explain you exercise 3.3, question number 1, internal question number 5 and 6. So question number 5. Our two equations are under root 2x plus under root 3y is equals to 0. And our second equation is under root 3x minus under root 8y is equals to 0. So first of all, just look at the equation, and from which equation we can easily find value of variable x, otherwise y. Right now I am going with equation number 2. You can also go for the equation number 1. Right, in this PDF it is they are going with equation number 1. Okay, but here minus sign is there, that's why I am going with equation number 2. Okay, so what is our equation number 2? I am using a different method, different way than this PDF. Okay, so second equation under root 3x minus under root 8y is equals to 0. Why I select this equation, that I tell you. Here minus sign is there. If I transfer it to the right hand side, it becomes positive. So I can get positive value of x. That's why I select this equation. Okay, so for finding out x, just transfer minus under root 8y to the right hand side. So what I get, under root 3x is equals to, now this minus under root 8y becomes positive if we transfer it to the right hand side, right? Then for finding out x, transfer this under root 3 to the right hand side. Here it is in multiplication. Okay, so if we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. So under root 8 upon under root 3y. This is my value of x, and this is equation number 3. Right? This is the value of x, and this is our equation number 3. Now we need to substitute the value of x in another equation. Here I am getting this value of x from equation number 2, so that I need to put this value in equation number 1. Okay, I cannot put this value in equation number 2 because I am getting the value of from equation number 2. Okay, in cricket match even we substitute one fielder with different fielder, right? Other fielder, other player. Okay, so here we need to do same thing. We need to substitute x from second equation to first equation. Means we need to put the value of x in first equation, right? Because we are getting value of x from second equation, that's why. Now what is our first equation? It's under root 2x plus under root 3y is equals to 0. So put the value of x here. What is our value of x? It is under root 8 by under root 3, right? Plus under root 3y, as it is equals to 0. Here y is also there. Okay, so we just put the value of x here. Now under root 2 into under root 8, so under root 16, right, by under root 3y plus under root 3y is equals to 0. We can multiply under root 8 by under root 2, so it's under root 16. Now under root 16, it's a 4, right? Square root of 16 is 4, so we can write here 4y. Second thing, we also take LCM here, so this under root 3 is multiplied with this, so under root 3 into under root 3, only 3, y divided by under root 3 is equals to 0. Okay, now we can transfer under root 3 to the right hand side, so it is goes to the right hand side and it is multiplied with 0. So 0 multiply under root 3, it's a 0, right? And in left hand side here 4y plus 3y, it's a 7y. Okay, 4y plus 3y, so we can write 7y is equals to 0 because our denominator transfer to the right hand side, It is multiply with 0 and 0. So 7y is equals to 0. Now for finding out y, transfer this 7 to the right hand side. It goes to the denominator. So 0 by 7, it's a 0. Right? So y is equals to 0. Okay, now put this value in equation number 3. Okay, now put this value in equation number 3. What is our equation number 3? It is x under root 8 upon under root 3, right? Now value of y, it's a 0. Now if this value is multiplied with 0, it becomes 0, right? Because any number, if we multiply with 0, our answer is 0. So our y is equals to 0 and x is equals to 0. This is the solution of this equation, right? This is the solution of this equation. Our x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Okay. Then question number 6. Here we have two equation. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equals to minus 2. Second equation, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. Okay. So here I just select equation number 2 and I just try to find value of x. Okay. So first of all, transfer y by 2 to the right hand side. So x by 3 is equals to here 13 by 6, and if we transfer plus y by 2 to the right hand side, it becomes minus y by 2. Okay, so x is equals to, now in right hand side we can take LCM, right? We can take LCM. So 6 and 2, LCM is 6, right? So here 6. Now here already 6 is there, so numerator 13 as it is. Then minus sign, here we have 2. So 2 into 3, 6. So same thing we need to do in in numerator. Okay, so denominator becomes 3 to the 6 and numerator becomes 3 into y, it's 3y. Okay, so x by 3 is equals to 13 minus 3y upon 6. We take LCM 6 here. Okay, then we need to transfer this 2 to the right hand side, right? Then we need to transfer this 3 to the right hand side. It goes to the numerator, right? If we transfer 3 from left hand side to right hand side, it goes to the multiplication. Okay, so in right hand side we can simplify it. That means 3 to the 6. Okay, so this is our value of x, 13 minus 3y upon 2. Okay, 13 minus 3y upon 2. This is our value of x and we give equation number 3. Okay, now put this value in equation number 1 because we are getting value of x from equation number 2. So we need to put this value in equation number 1. So put this value. So equation number 1 is 3x by 2, right? So 3. Now in place of x, I can write 13 minus 3y upon 2 and divide by 2. Okay. Then 5 minus 5y by 3 as it is, minus 2 as it is. Okay. So we just put the value of x is equals to 13 minus 3y by 2 in equation number 1. Okay, now here we transfer 3 to the 3 in the bracket. Okay, so 13 into 3, it's a 39 and this 2 goes to the denominator. Okay, so here 39 and then 3 into 3y, it's a minus 9y and divide by this 2 to the 4 because denominator of numerator, it goes to the denominator. So in denominator, we need to multiply 2 with 2. So 2 to the 4. So here what we do here, first of all multiply this 3 to the bracket, means 3 into 13. It's a 39. Then 3 into 3y, it's a minus 9y, divided by 2 to the 4. Rest of the things as it is. Okay, 5y by minus 5y by 3 is equals to minus 2 as it is. Okay, then what we need to do? We need to take LCM, right? We need to take LCM. So just take the LCM. Here in denominator we have 4 and 3. Okay, in denominator we have 4 and 3. So our LCM is 12, right? So here we are just taking LCM. So first of all I write here 12. Now we have one bracket. It is 39 minus 9y, right? So cross multiplication process is there. So we need to multiply it with 3, right? Because we take LCM here, that's why. Then we have second term, it is minus 5y. Minus 5y, we need to multiply it with 4, cross multiplication, right? Is equals to minus 2 as it is. Now just multiply this 3 with this bracket. So 39 into 3, it's a 117. Then 9 3s are 27 y, and here 5y into 4, it's a 20y. Now transfer this 12 to the right hand side. It goes to the numerator. So minus 2 into 12, minus 24, plus minus minus 12 to the 24, right? Then for finding out y, just transfer this 117 to the right hand side. So in left hand side we have these two things, minus 27y, minus 20y. So minus minus plus, 27 plus 20, 47. So 47y, big number sign, it's a negative. Here we have minus 24 in right hand side, and we transfer 117 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 117, right? So minus 47y is equals to, now right hand side, minus minus plus 117 plus 24, it's a 1 for 1, right? And big number sign, it's a negative. So minus 47y is equals to minus 1 for 1. So minus minus cut from these two sides, and for finding out y, just transfer this 47 to the right hand side. So here y is equals to, here 1 for 1, if we transfer 47 to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. So 1 for 1 divided by 47, 3s are, right? 47 3s are 1 for 1. So y is equals to 3. Okay, so we are getting y is equals to 3. Now what we need to do? We need to find our other variable, it is x, right? For finding out variable x, we need to put y is equals to 3 in equation number 3. Okay, so we just try to put y is equals to 3 in equation number 3. So our equation number 3 is like this, right? X is equals to 13 minus 3y upon 2. Now put value of y is equals to 3. So here y is equals to 3 divided by 2. So 13 minus, now 3 3s are 9 by 2. 13 minus 9, it's a 4. 4 by 2 is equals to 2. So our x is equals to 2, right? So we are getting here y is equals to 3 and x is equals to 2. This is our final answer. This is the solution. X is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3.